Hey guys, as you can see, I am out here taking a walk. This is my go-to area for my little nature walks. That's like, around me. This is like one of the best places for me, at least, because it's just so many trees out here. So I really like that. And yeah, it is Friday and I don't work Fridays, so I just been, this morning I packed some orders, some of my like crochet orders, and then I took them to the post office. I had to buy some more yarn, and now I'm here because I'm just trying to kill a little bit of time, and I haven't been on one of my like solo walks in like maybe like 2 weeks. So I'm going to go up north to see my family, and my sister just had a baby like 2 weeks ago, so I have to see my nephew as much as I possibly can right now. See what's on my mind. I feel like I have a whole bunch of stuff on my mind, and then once I like okay, let me record for the little vlog, it's like it all just like leaves my mind for some reason. But I think I just need to get used to recording and talking to a camera or whatever. It sounds really nice out here. I was gonna say I love silence, which I do love silence, but like I love the nature silence when it's like, listen to this. That makes me so happy. Okay, actually I'm about to meditate out here real quick, and then I'm probably gonna get back on here. I think I'm gonna sit on this little stump right here. Oh man, oh my gosh, it is so nice out here though. Look at that. Okay, that was literally like probably 5 minutes of meditation, and it helped a lot actually. I really like to meditate. Like, I need to get back into the habit of meditating daily, and like how I really was really being persistent with it, because it does have a lot of benefits. But for me, like, meditating in nature is like the best thing ever. Meditation in general is gonna help you be present, but being in nature and just like hearing the sounds and like feeling like that natural breeze is just like really helps with just like being right there in the moment. So yeah, that was good. I'm gonna finish my walk now. That was a nice little stump right there. Was a nice place to meditate. So yeah, I guess I want to give y'all a little update on, I don't know, I guess just like my life and like where I'm at right now and things like that. And I guess also like just who I am, because like I feel like, I posted a few videos on my channel before, and I guess some of them do kind of tell you like who I am, I guess, but or show you who I am, but I never really done like a introduction video, I guess. So I guess this could be a part of this video. So hello, my name is Kanika. I am 25 years old. I would call myself an artist. I dibble and dabble in things based on how I'm feeling. I was painting before, now I'm crocheting right now. I still am interested in painting and things like that, but I'm into all kinds of arts, all kinds of like creation and just expression in general. That's why I feel like I should be on YouTube, so I can express myself in another way. Like, that is, why not? And show you guys, I guess, like my life, and maybe people might relate. I guess that's the whole point of like vlogging and stuff. Yeah, so right now I do work at like a normal job. I work in the pharmaceuticals. Oh my gosh, I work in the pharmaceutical industry. Just like a lot of people, I mean, for some people, working a 9 to 5 or whatever hours you work, just working like an actual job, like when you clock in and clock out. For some people that works, and for me right now, it's like, you know, working, I guess. But I am trying to make that transition into not having to have a job like that. It's not even like, because actually I'm a hard worker. I love working, like in general, not for someone else like that, but like I like working. I have no problem with like putting in the effort, the work to see the results and stuff like that, or even just to be a part of the journey to get to the results. I don't know why I'm out of breath, y'all. Oh my god. I am like out of breath, and I'm just walking, and I work out a lot actually, so I don't know why I'm kind of winded right now. But like I was saying, yes, I am out at this park. Oh, okay. I'm about to sit here and crochet, y'all. I'm about to, ooh, okay, look. I'm about to eat this soup. It's actually a chicken pot pie soup. So I'm gonna eat this and crochet, and y'all can just sit here and crochet with me, I guess. Yeah, I went to the gym earlier, so I'll probably have already included a little clip into that. I got my crochet stuff. I have a book, and I have my little journals. It's just a calm Saturday. I'm not doing nothing, and yeah, I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing on this fine Saturday. More crochet stuff. You can never have too much crochet stuff, y'all. That's the first thing. Yeah. Yes, good food makes me so happy. Hey guys. Oh, come on. There's all these freaking buggers everywhere. All these bugs everywhere. I don't mind being outside. I love being outside. I don't even mind bugs. It's just once they start touching me. Like, you can be outside, just like don't touch me. I was working on these covers that I make for headphones. I would show y'all on the actual headphones, but my headphones are in my car, and I'm not in my car, so, and I'm not getting up right now neither to go get them. So yeah, I was using this tie-dye yarn to make those covers with just a normal cream color yarn, and I make like spirals, and then I have these ones that I'm about to make right now. Oh, I'm about to finish them. Yeah, I just gotta finish the sides for them. So here we go. Let's go ahead and, oh, let me get myself together first, and then we can go ahead and start these other ones. I'm gonna probably insert a picture of like the finished product for both of these, because I want to try to see how they look, I guess, on the actual headphones that I make. See, it's just bugs everywhere. I can't. Sorry. It's like a spider hanging from my phone or something. I don't know. A hooky hook. So I'm actually probably gonna speed it up a little bit. I do want to finish this book. I have like, I have less than a chapter left, I think, actually now. Less than a chapter left. And for some reason, like, literally like 10 pages probably. For some reason, I've just been like, not finishing the book for some reason, and that's annoying.
Nope. No. Here. How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
You're crocheting.
Yeah.
Good for you. What are you? Stop. What are you making?
Right now I'm just making like headphone covers.
What are they?
Headphone covers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm making right now. But I have like a shirt and stuff I'm making also.
Good for you.
Thank you.
Good for you. God bless, honey. Have a blessed day.
You too. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm done with this one. I made a full thing of it. So I have to finish this one and get home. So see? Done with, oh well. I'm gonna be done with these for now. I don't feel like finishing that. Okay, I'm about to finish this book because I have, like I already said, I have like less than a chapter left, and I want to finish this freaking book so I can move on to the next one. Just finished meditating and I am about to leave now, the park. Yes, I'm just now about to leave the park, and after that meditation I'm feeling pretty good, honestly. Bye bye. That's the end of this vlog, y'all. I don't think I did that much, but it's something to start posting and get into the habit of recording. So yes, I'll see y'all.
For the start, let's make it started for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys. So right now I am at a family bonfire. Well, I just got here and we're waiting for people to get here still. So in the meantime, you know what I'm doing? Crocheting. Just waiting to eat. Ooh-wee.